Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. I'm also fine. In this video, you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. Look at this. All these kitchen organization ideas are unique and new. I always try to bring some new and innovative ideas for you. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of my new and upcoming videos. And now have a look at these beautiful and amazing home decoration ideas. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most. 50 plus brilliant ideas of home organization are shown in this video. So you can take the screenshot of the picture or you can also save the video. From which country you are watching my channel, let me know in the comment section. And also let me know your good name so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.